Property creation. You can create a property on your phone using the myCRM app or on your desktop. Simply open myCRM, click on Properties, and then find the big red plus icon. A new screen will open and you just need to work your way through it. Anything you see with an asterisk is mandatory, anything else is there for your own benefit. The more complete you make your database, the more it will help you in the future. Bear in mind that not all information will be seen online, like a DWIN number for example, and not all information is visible to even your agent colleagues in your office, such as the owner's details. When we work our way down the page, we see the price and, next to it, a button called Price on Application. If this is selected, then the price will not be displayed to the customer and they will see Ask for Price instead. With regards to the title and description, although myCRM will let you write whatever you want, if you are aiming for the perfect quality score on Property Finder, then ensure your title is exactly 40 characters and your description is exactly 1000 characters. You can also add an Arabic title and description as well. Any amenity that you can think of should be in this list, and our advice is that you select as many as apply to your property. People searching portals are able to filter by the amenities that you select on there. Back at the top of the first page, you can see when it was last edited, when it was first created, and who created it initially. Below that is the Property Finder quality score, which comes direct from Property Finder after the property has been published there. The reference number will populate automatically if you leave this field empty, or if you prefer, you can custom type your own. Agents will only be able to choose themselves as the assigned user, but a manager or admin could reallocate this property to any user in their company. This is the person whose public details will appear online next to this listing. The last part of the first page, the property permit, is applicable to Dubai clients and is where you input the Tracheesi permit number for this property. If you choose to input the permit automatically, then myCRM receives the validity direct from Tracheesi themselves. If you can choose to add permit number manually, then you still need to add an expiration date. Media is the next tab and will allow you to add as many photos as you wish using the camera icon in the top right. Although you can add as many images as you'd like to, and this will be very helpful should you choose to share the property over social media, only the first 10 images will be published on the portals. They will go online in the left to right order, with the first or default image being the one in the top left. Feel free to drag and drop to get the perfect order. Underneath the images is a section where you can copy and paste a video link for the property. Not all websites will display this video. The location tab has 5 sections, but only the first section will be displayed online. The other 4 are only visible within your company or yourself, depending on how your company decided to set up the confidentiality. The tab entitled Property Location is what will be seen by clients, so it's really important that you put the name of the exact building, if it's an apartment, or the community, if it's a villa, for maximum quality score points on Property Finder. For example, if your property is in Sadaf 6, type out Sadaf in the property location box and find the one for Sadaf 6. Then a client could find your property if they searched for Dubai, JBR, Sadaf, or Sadaf 6. If you cannot find the exact building, please use the Chat Now function on myCRM to request that it's added. Project name, street number and unit number are only for your eyes and are absolutely confidential, just like the owner's details. The Publishing tab shows you which portals you are connected to and gives you the option to publish or unpublish from here. Don't want this property to be under Bizzle? Fine, just unselect it. Change your mind? Simply select it again. Each portal has its own card which tells you when it was created, generated and fetched. Created is the moment the property is approved. Generated is when myCRM has published the property in the XML feed for the portal. And fetched is when the portal visited the myCRM XML feed to update themselves. In other words, myCRM does not send information to the portals, it makes it available for the portals when they are ready to update themselves. Notes is a section where you can record information that you would like to remember, but you don't necessarily want your clients or indeed your colleagues to see. Just write your note and it will be saved with the date and the time that you made it. You can even create a reminder from the note so that you don't forget to follow up on something. The Documents tab of myCRM is highly confidential. Depending on your company settings, even your agent colleagues might not be able to see this information, and certainly nobody outside of your company can ever see it. Any file type or size is acceptable, and you can upload as many documents as you see fit. You could, for example, Take a photograph of a title deed using your phone and upload it into the myCRM using the app. You could show your client the ownership documents of a property whilst you're in the middle of a viewing. You can rename the documents and inform myCRM what type of document it is. You can even verify the listing on Property Finder from this section. Finally, when you are happy with your listing, click on the green tick button and, depending on your permissions, it will either be published or sent for approval. Or by highlighting the green tick, you'll see a yellow icon below it, which will let you save it as a draft for you to finish later on. For example, you write the title, description, size, etc., but you don't yet have any photos? Simply save as a draft. Go to the apartment, take your photos, upload through the app, send it for approval all through your phone. No need to be a slave to the office any longer. You could reach out to us and ask for more help. Let us know your thoughts by emailing support@mycrm.com, calling 800 myCRM, or using the chat now function.